विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. मुरगांव उद्योगीक वसाहत कसल्याच प्रकाराची रक्कम पंचायतीक व खंयच्याच सरकारी यंत्रणेक भरी नासतना इंडस्ट्री चलयता म्हूण आरोप चिखले पंचायत तशेंच पंचायत मंत्र्यान केला. इतली वर्सां एमआयन बरे रितीन आपलो थाटान कसलेच शुल्क भरी नासतना कारोबार चलयला म्हूण पंचायत मंत्री मविन गुदिनो उलयला. RDX खातीर दाबोळच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Murmugao Industrial Estate, can permission be given for the industrial estate? Cannot be given. But somehow they have managed to manipulate all authorities in the past. Komdad has been fighting with them that they have usurped the land illegally, but they have not succeeded. And it is much before I came into this area as MLA, this particular industrial estate was existing. Now that it is a fait accompli, they should also adhere to certain doing certain good for the public. They are just running their businesses or their industrial estates without paying a single rupee revenue to any authority. Panchayat does not get any income. Komdat does not get any income, and this land belongs to the Komdat. Now that they are existing there for so many years, I am going to have shortly a meeting of all the stakeholders, including the petroleum companies, wherein some income should accrue to the panchayat. How will the panchayat develop? The other day there was a furor because the road leading to the industrial estate resembled as if it is a bombarded area. No traffic could move along that road. How can this happen? How do you expect the government to do that road? How do you expect the panchayat to do the road when it is privately being used by a private industrial estate, which is actually not an industrial estate? So we are moving on that. I am on the same page as the Komdat, who is fighting with them and trying to streamline the things. If they don't behave, then they will get a very strong message which they will repent. I simply want to appeal to them, come to the panchayat, come to the negotiating table, see that something is also done for the public. Yet first thing is get that road done under CSR. It is only you people who are using that road. You all are earning crores of rupees every year and not a single rupee income to the panchayat. You all are running some business on land of Komdat. Where are the title documents? Show me what documentation is there. It is a manipulation, and manipulation which has succeeded over all these years.